Hello lovers, welcome back once again. So today we are going to do our groundnut paste. Yes, as you can see, it's very smooth and nice. So today we are going to use our blender in doing our groundnut paste. So please, let's keep watching and see how we did this fantastic groundnut paste. So first of all, we need to get our roasted groundnut or roasted peanut. So this is it. If it's raw like this, so you go ahead and remove all the husk from it. So this is how you go by doing it. Yeah, this is how others go by separating the chaffs from the real nut. So she is using a blow dryer. Yeah, some also can use the winning method in doing it. So after, this is how your groundnut is going to be. Very nice and perfectly removed. So you go ahead and put it in your blender. So from here you go ahead and blend your peanut or your groundnut into smooth paste, as you can see from here. So it's ready now. I went ahead and pour it. It's so easy to make. Please guys, let's try and make this homemade peanut butter. So this is the second one I'll be blending. I did this in batches. I'm done with everything now. So this is the whole groundnut or peanut paste. So easy to make. Let's please try this at home. So from here, the peanut butter can be used in eating bread, as you can see. It tastes so nice. Or you can also use it in doing your soups as well, to go with any food of your choice, emutu, fufu, banku, or anything you like. Thanks guys. Please subscribe for more.